Hey guys, it's Brooklyn and I'm here with my new dog Diamond. She's so adorable. Hey girl. Hey. You're such adorable. Hey, what you eating? Oh, Diamond. You see what she was eating? She would eat anything in this house. Well, it's me and Diamond. Nah, you don't have anything bad to eat. Hey, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. That's my girl. Crayons. Hey, girl. Hey, big girl. You're so beautiful. Just like me. She keeps biting my dog. Give me this. You jack my doggy. He was like, she keeps biting my dolls. You know, you can't smell the screen. Because your hair, look at her. She's so pretty. Now, hey, get on my makeup. She's in my makeup. Hey, girl.
Oh!
Yes, take a selfie. You want to take a selfie? Oh, you're just going to gobble down my dolls. Well, anyways, bye, guys.